And today they said no rain. I was gonna put my plants in the ground. No rain today, guys. None. Crazy, huh? Look at this, guys. This is what we've been dealing with now for, I don't know, 10 days. It was just hailing. I don't know if, I can't focus in, but in that black mulch, you can see white specks. That's hail. Looks like the size of jelly beans. A dime. There you go. Right there. Whole bunch right here too. But there you go. This is what we've been dealing with. You cannot get ahead of anything. That's what we've been dealing with every day. Yesterday between 5 to 6 inches. Today they're saying maybe 3. I think we've already had that today so far. It's been raining all day. All right. Okay, just a short time ago I did the video of all the rain. All right. I went into town, this truck, probably about 3.5 hours ago. Look at the water in the back of this. Now, yeah, I'm going downhill, but it's holding water. That's how much rain fell in the last 3 hours this morning. That is crazy. Yep, I dumped out yesterday. Yesterday's water drained out the back of the truck all the time. In fact, you can see the water, the drain, the mud right there. So, this morning's rain, I don't even know how much rain that is. But that's crazy. Now you know what I'm talking about. We've been raining like crazy here.